Guys, if you're interested in the latest news, then think of Gemini, because ChatGPT is not updated with what's happening around the world in terms of news. So again, very important thing, you need to know the usage. So again, great tips. Moving on, I would like to know the softwares you mentioned. So TubeBuddy and the other one. So if you can speak much about the differences between them real quick, and how anyone can use them. If they are already using AI, they're familiar with maybe video generation. So how do they use these softwares in a very optimized way?
Now, the main important thing, which is, let me explain you how actually you do it. Learning about the AI using the softwares which are already available, that it can be the concern, because if we are talking about the YouTube right now, it goes with all other social media, right? TikTok, Snapchat, Instagram,
Integrated.
they are all technically together. But how you can, I shouldn't say it, but how you can hack into the algorithm, that matters. Look, if you're using something which is already uploaded somewhere, okay, then AI will catch, because the search engine is already detecting everything, whatever you are doing.
Exactly.
Suppose that if you want to start a faceless channel, what I will do, what I will tell you, the easiest and fastest way. Now, there are the two ways. First, you don't want to invest any money. I don't want to invest any money. Or I have some savings. I want to invest a little bit of money.
You just want to experiment maybe on
and make money out of it, right? So let's talk about person one, and then we talk about person two. Now, if you don't have any money, so what you can do? You can go to small shorts, do one thing, change color. Second thing, add on the music, which is of course loyalty free. Third, what you can do, you can flip the video. Important thing.
These are like basic edits just to make sure the algorithm is not catching it as the same content, if I'm not wrong, yeah?
Ethically. And try to use 15 to 30 seconds of specific content which you're using. And what you can do, you can use your own voice. And then, of course, there are hundreds of tools which you can utilize online. Voice changer tool, just go to Google, type voice changer tool. In that, you can simply get voices, and you can also generate this script using AI.